Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to change a normal video to slow motion. Many users have this issue that they shot a video on their iPhone but they forgot to enable the slow motion option. If you have a video like this and want to try and make it slow-mo, here is something to try. For this, we'll need iMovie, which comes free with the new iPhone. Open iMovie and tap Create Project. Select Movie and select the video you want to make slow-mo and tap Create Movie. Tap on the video in the timeline and tap the speedometer icon. To reduce the speed of your video and to make the video slow motion on your iPhone, drag the slider all the way to the left. You can tap on the play icon to preview the video and see if that is what you wanted. That's it. Keep in mind, since slow-mo is based on shooting more frames per second, slowing down a video shot at regular speed will not yield the best slow-mo effect. This, however, is still an option to try if you forgot to enable slow-mo in the camera application. What other tutorials would you like us to make? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.